if you've watched much TV through the years, you've seen people have prenups, right? Prenuptial agreements. And you think, you know what? I'm not Jeff Bezos. I'm not Donald Trump. I don't have billions of dollars. I don't need a prenup. I don't have enough money to fight over. But if you're young and you're about to get married, you've got the whole rest of your life in front of you, you probably are going to build a business. You're probably going to gain assets. You're probably going to build a retirement plan. And you need to make sure that all this, for instance, all this maybe family inheritance you brought into the marriage, if you want to protect that, the only way to protect that is through a prenuptial agreement. Or maybe it's not even an inheritance. Maybe you've got some land that was given to you by family, and it's very important for that land to stay in your family, to your family. You can create whatever you want to as far as a prenuptial agreement, as long as both sides are represented and both sides get advice from counsel about whether or not it's a fair agreement to enter into. And look, you may even choose over the advice of counsel to enter into this agreement for whatever reason. That's your business. You can do what you want to do. But you probably need a prenuptial agreement if you're young, if you've got potential to earn a lot, if you know at some point you're going to have some inheritance coming in, for instance, maybe you don't have a lot right now, but you have a potential to have a lot in the future. A prenuptial agreement simply means an agreement made before you're married. It's going to be a contract basically between you and your spouse where if you unfortunately do wind up in divorce in the future, you already decided in the past how assets are going to be divided up and if that other party would be entitled to anything you built up during the marriage or you brought into the marriage. So prenups can be a very valuable tool in your marriage.